What's up, guys? Welcome back to Banalish Diecast. My name is Evan, and today we're going to be wheel swapping this 1969 Dodge Charger from Hot Wheels. We have this 1968 Pontiac Firebird in gold with green stripes on it, and this one is from M2, and this one is from the Auto Wheel set, so it actually comes with 3 different sets of wheels that we can use for wheel swapping another car. There's this here on the back if you'd like to read any of this. Basically, you know, some instructions about wheel swapping the car. I have never wheel swapped a car before, so we're gonna crack this thing open, and I guess we're gonna try and wheel swap this car. So this here piece on the back is already opened up. So we're just gonna pull this here apart. M2s are hard to open, man, but you know what? We finally got it out, or ready to be taken out. So here's the first thing we get. Kind of like a, you know what? I think I'm going to use this like a little poster, yeah. That's actually pretty cool. I'm going to keep that. And what else is in here? We have a little M2 logo. And we have the car. It's, okay, never mind. Looks like we have the wheels next. We'll get into that in a minute. Screwdriver. And the car itself. Let's start with reviewing the Firebird. Look at the green color on this thing. It's a very cool color on this car, actually. I think that looks awesome with the off-center green stripe. ET mags. Oh my! How did that happen? Wait, what did I do? How did I cut myself? What? So my finger's all bandaged up now. I seriously have no idea what I did. Maybe I sliced it with the blade. Maybe it was with a sharp edge on the package. But if it was with that, folks, careful when you're opening them packages, because I guess they can give you some nasty cuts. And here we go. Here's the 1968 Firebird in all its glory. Look at this. Beautiful car. I love the color. ET mags written on the door there. Got the nice satin gold rims. We have a plastic base on it. Front end of the car. A little bit messed up. As you can see, the headlight there. It's cracked a little bit. But, I mean, I'm not worried about that. Get a nice blower on the car. I really like the offset green stripes. They look really cool. All around, a really beautiful looking car. Let's take a look at the wheels we got. So, let's start off with these ones. So, clearly they're more of a street tire, as you can see. Got treads on them, yellow lettering. Pretty much the same thing with the front, only they're skinnies. Here's the second pair. We got these ones here with the drag slicks. And these are more skinnies, only these ones have no print at all on the front tires. And here's drag slick just like the last one, only this one has the red lines on it, which is really nice. I think I'm gonna go with these ones here, just the normal drag slicks for this car. I think that'll look really good, and from my understanding, if we do want to take them off of these axles, we can actually just swap the wheels right out after. So first thing we need to do to this Charger is cut the axles. Is this the right kind of pliers to use? I have no idea, but they're the smallest and sharpest cutting pliers I could find. So I guess we'll just stick it in through here, and it's not going to reach, is it? I can add a bit of pressure. I'm not worried about bending the axle if I'm trying to cut it. Hold on a minute. It's not gonna reach, is it? Check it out, you guys. We got this Dremel here. And this here is the only tool I can find that will reach and cut the axle. As you can see, I've already started a little bit. thank goodness that worked, because I was pretty much out of ideas at this point. If the Dremel didn't work, I have no idea what was gonna work. So there we go, the axle is cut, so I can take that wheel off and slide the other axle out. Now I did scuff the chassis a little bit, but you won't barely even see that when the new wheels are on. Day 2 of trying to wheel swap this, and usually you could get a wheel swap done in 10 minutes, if you know what you're doing and if you have the right tools. I did not have the right tools, and I did not know what I was doing. We're just gonna cut that there, like that. Oh, that's tape. That's what that is. Okay, I guess that's why the axles are stuck. But I do not know if they're even gonna fit. It doesn't fit. These... Oh, come on. So I did it off camera, but as you can tell, those little holes where the axle goes through, I took this drill, which may or may not be overkill, and simply drilled right through here. So I'm sorry I couldn't get that on video. The wheels should be able to go right on now. Moment of truth, guys. We have one wheel put onto the axle here. Oh, finally. Alrighty, guys. Look at that. Just add some pressure. There's the back of the car. Where's the other axle to? Here it is. Here's the other axle. Put one skinny onto here. Push it on. Put her through the front. Oh my lord. And it does not reach. There is no way that's going to be long enough. So I guess we're just going to have to use another rear axle. Much better. This here should be, better be, praying it will be the very last step in wheel swapping this car. But, oh my lord. Whoa, look at what we have created. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. First custom ever is looking amazing. These back wheels look absolutely awesome. That looks so much cooler than the plastic wheels, not gonna lie. Like, that's really good. That looks really cool. First custom ever. How does it roll? Like a charm. Now I know what it takes to do a wheel swap. And I mean, this was my first one ever. So every other wheel swap I do will be easy peasy. And I know what to do, I know what not to do. And I hope I taught you guys something as well. Pick up these sets, you guys. Pick them up. I mean, like, we got an absolutely gorgeous wheel swap out of it. We got an awesome looking Firebird out of it. Let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know if this video is helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, all the stuff I'm not going to take an eternity telling you guys to do. And I'll see ya.